Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Vibes, where learning English is always easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emma. Hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world.
Hi, Paul. You sound full of energy today.
I am. I had 2 cups of coffee this morning, so I'm ready to go.
That explains the big smile. I'm happy you're here, because today's episode is a really useful one.
Oh, I like useful. What's the topic?
Today we're going to learn how to talk about past events in English.
Ah, the past. My favorite topic. Because my past includes pizza, holidays, and naps.
And that's exactly why we need this episode. Talking about the past helps us share stories, memories, and experiences.
Right. We use the past when we tell people what we did yesterday, last week, or even 10 years ago.
Exactly. And it's something English learners really want to do, to describe their day, talk about a trip, or share what happened at work or school.
So we'll make it easy and fun today, step by step.
Yes, as always. But first, before we travel to the past...
Uh-oh, I know what's coming.
Yes, dear listeners, if you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to click the like button, subscribe to Mr. English channel, and share this episode with your friends.
Because sharing is caring, and subscribing helps us create more fun lessons for you every week.
Exactly. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, ready, Paul? Let's go back in time.
So, Emma, when we say past, what do we really mean?
The past is everything that already happened, even 1 minute ago. If something is finished, it's in the past.
So if I say I ate breakfast, that's the past, right?
Perfect example. You finished eating. It's not now, it's before now. So it's the past.
Okay, so I eat breakfast is for now, and I ate breakfast is for before.
Exactly.
My breakfast was very good today. Wait, I said was. That's a past word, right?
You're already using it perfectly. Was and were are the past forms of the verb to be.
Let's break it down for our listeners.
Sure. In the present, we say, I am, you are, he, she is, we are, they are.
And in the past, they become I was, you were, he, she was, we were, they were.
Great. So, for example, today I am happy. Yesterday, I was happy. Today, we are tired. Yesterday, we were tired.
That's easy to remember. Was for one person, were for more people.
Exactly. Let's try it in a conversation.
Okay, Emma, where were you yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening, I was at home. I watched a movie. What about you?
I was at the gym. I exercised for 30 minutes. Then I ate pizza.
Pizza after exercise. That's called balance.
Exactly. I was healthy and then happy.
That's a good example of using was and were in a real story. Now let's talk about how to describe actions in the past. Not just where we were, but what we did.
Like walk, play, cook, watch, those action words.
Yes, those are called verbs. And the good news is, for many verbs, you just add ed to make them past.
Really? That's it?
That's it. Listen, I walk, I walked. I play, I played. I cook, I cooked. I clean, I cleaned.
So simple.
Let's try to build a little story using regular verbs.
Okay. Yesterday, I walked to the park. I listened to music. I watched some kids playing football.
Perfect. 3 regular verbs. Walked, listened, watched.
Then I talked to a friend. We laughed about funny memories.
You're getting good at this, Paul.
Thanks. But wait, some verbs don't sound right with ed, like go ed or eat ed.
Exactly. Those are called irregular verbs. and they have special past forms.
Oh, the tricky ones.
Don't worry, we'll get there soon. But before that, let's practice a few more regular ones.
Okay.
What did you do last weekend?
Let's see. I cleaned my room, I watched a movie, and I played guitar.
Wow, productive.
Yes. And you?
I cooked dinner for my family and visited my parents.
That's lovely. You said visited. Another ED word.
Exactly. Many verbs are regular, so once you learn this rule, you can describe a lot of things in the past.
So, if I understand, I walk every day, present. I walked yesterday, past.
Correct. Just remember, if the word already ends in E, like dance, just add D. So, I dance, I danced.
Got it.
And if the verb ends with Y, like study, you change Y to I before adding ED. So, study, studied.
Oh, I studied English last night.
Perfect sentence, Paul.
Thanks. I feel like a grammar champion.
You are.
Yep. I walked, I talked, I cooked, I danced. I'm basically an ed expert now.
You are. But now it's time to level up.
Uh-oh. Does that mean grammar boss fight?
Kind of. Today, we'll meet the irregular verbs.
The special ones that don't follow the -ed rule, right?
Exactly. Some verbs in English are a little rebellious. They don't like to follow the pattern.
Like me when someone says no pizza.
Perfect example. So let's look at how they work. Okay, Paul, let's start with one of the most common verbs, go.
Oh, yes, I know that one. I go to work every day.
Right. But if we talk about the past, we say went, not goed.
So, I went to work yesterday.
Perfect.
Let's do another one. What about eat?
Good one. The past of eat is ate. I eat pizza on Fridays. I ate pizza last Friday.
I ate pizza every Friday. Does that count?
That counts. Let's try see.
See, saw.
Excellent. I saw a movie yesterday.
I saw my friend at the gym.
Great sentence. And one more. Take, took.
I took the bus to work.
Perfect again.
Okay, I think I'm getting this. It's like a memory game. You just have to remember the pairs.
Exactly. Here are a few more common ones. Go, went, I went to the park. Eat, ate, I ate lunch at noon. See, saw, I saw a rainbow. Drink, drank, I drank some water. Make, made, I made a cake.
That's a super helpful list.
Yep, if you memorize these, you can describe almost any story in the past.
Now, let's practice. I'll tell a little story, and you, and our listeners, can try to notice all the past tense verbs.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, here we go.
Now let's practice. I'll tell a little story, and you, and our listeners, can try to notice all the past tense verbs.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, here we go. Last weekend, I went to the zoo with my cousin. We saw so many animals. We took photos of monkeys and elephants. I bought ice cream and my cousin ate too. Later, we got tired, so we sat on a bench and drank some juice. It was such a fun day.
Wow, that was a great story. Let me count. Went, saw, took, bought, ate, got, sat, drank, was. 9 past verbs.
Excellent, Paul. You're a good listener.
Thanks. I want to try one too.
Go for it.
Yesterday, I woke up early. I made coffee, but I forgot to add sugar, so it tasted terrible. Then I went outside, but it rained and I got wet. I came back home, changed my clothes, and watched TV all day.
Poor Paul. That sounds like a long, rainy day.
It was, but it's a good English story, right?
Absolutely. You used regular and irregular verbs perfectly.
Okay, Emma, how can our listeners remember all these weird forms?
Good question. Here are some tricks. Make mini stories. When you connect verbs to fun memories, you remember them longer. Example, I went to Italy, ate pizza, and saw the Colosseum. Group them by sound. For example, eat, ate, drink, drank, sing, sang, swim, swam. Use flashcards or apps. Write go on one side and went on the other. Listen and repeat. Watch English shows and focus on verbs in the past. Talk every day. Even small sentences help, like I watched a movie or I cooked dinner.
That's great advice.
And remember, no one learns them all in one day. You just need practice, repetition, and patience.
So true. Even native speakers sometimes forget words.
Exactly. The more you use them, the more natural they become. Okay, listeners, it's time for you to practice.
Yay! Mini game time.
I'll say a sentence in the present tense and you change it to past tense. Ready?
I'm ready.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
I ate breakfast at 8 a.m.
Correct. I go to school.
I went to school.
Good. I make a cake.
I made a cake.
Amazing. So far we've learned how to use was and were, how to make regular verbs with ed, how to use irregular verbs like go, went, eat, ate, and see, saw.
That's a lot already.
So, when we want to ask about the past, we usually use did plus base verb.
Right. So we don't say, did you went? We say, did you go?
Exactly. Did already tells us it's in the past, so the verb stays simple.
Okay, let's try some examples.
Sure. Did you watch the movie? Did you eat breakfast? Did you go to work yesterday?
And to answer, we can say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
Perfect. Or we can add details. Yes, I did. I watched it with my friends. No, I didn't. I stayed home instead.
That's so natural.
Okay, let's play a quick question game. I'll ask a question and you answer, Paul.
Challenge accepted.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I did. I made pasta and burned it slightly.
That's very Paul. Okay, next. Did you go to the gym yesterday?
No, I didn't. But I thought about it. That counts, right?
Half credit. How about, did you watch TV?
Yes, I did. I watched a cooking show while ordering pizza.
Perfect balance of exercise and entertainment.
Okay, Emma, I've got a question. When we didn't do something, we say did not or didn't, right?
Exactly. And the verb stays in its base form. No dash ed, no went, just the simple form.
So, I didn't go to work. I didn't eat breakfast. I didn't watch the movie.
Yes, simple and clear.
That's easy enough, but can I mix it up for fun?
Sure.
I didn't run yesterday because my couch missed me.
Perfect English and perfect honesty. Okay, let's have a little real conversation. Imagine it's Monday morning and we're talking about our weekend.
Let's do it.
Hey, Paul, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with some friends.
Nice. Where did you go?
We went to a small hill near the city. The view was amazing.
Cool. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I did. I took about 50.
Wow, that's a lot of pictures. Did you eat anything special?
Yes, we cooked sandwiches and drank coffee at the top.
That sounds perfect.
It was. What about you, Emma? What did you do?
I stayed home. I cleaned the house, watched a movie, and read a book.
That sounds relaxing. What movie did you watch?
I watched Finding Nemo.
That's one of my favorites. Did you cry?
Maybe a little. Just a tiny tear.
English learners, that's your real-life example. Simple questions, clear answers, all in the past tense.
Okay, listeners, it's your turn. We'll ask you questions. Pause after each one and answer aloud.
Don't be shy. Talk to yourself if you need to. That's real practice.
Ready? Here we go. What did you do yesterday? Did you watch a movie last week? Where did you go on your last holiday? Did you cook anything delicious recently? Who did you talk to last night?
Awesome job. Even if your sentences weren't perfect, you're getting stronger.
Yes, the goal isn't perfection. It's communication.
And confidence. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Okay, time for your challenge of the day.
Here it comes.
Write or record a short story about something that happened to you. Maybe last weekend, last year, or when you were a child.
Use at least 5 past tense verbs. They can be regular or irregular.
Example, I went to the beach last year. I swam in the sea, played volleyball, ate ice cream, and watched the sunset.
That's perfect. Simple, natural, and full of emotion.
And if you're feeling brave, practice speaking it aloud. Record yourself, listen, and notice your improvement.
Emma, let's do a funny one.
Oh no, what's the scenario this time?
You forgot my birthday yesterday.
Okay, that's terrible. Let's go.
Emma, did you forget something yesterday?
Did I?
Yes, it was my birthday.
Oh no, I didn't remember. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I forgave you because you brought cake today.
Phew, I baked it myself. See? I made it this morning.
All is forgiven. And I ate 2 pieces already.
That's a sweet ending. Literally.
And another grammar success story. We used did, didn't, made, and ate.
Exactly. Learning can be funny too. Okay, confident learners, let's review everything we've learned today. Step 1. Talk about the past using was and were. Step 2. Use regular verbs with -ed. Step 3. Memorize irregular verbs like go, went, see, saw, eat, ate. Step 4. Make questions with did plus base verb. Step 5. Practice with stories, questions, and your real life. And step 6, have fun while learning.
Always. English should make you smile, not stress you out.
Thank you everyone for joining us in this episode, How to Talk About Past Events in English.
Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress, practice, and positive vibes.
You're amazing, brave, and full of English energy.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep those English vibes flowing.
New episodes every week, full of fun, learning, and confidence.
Until next time, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep shining.
Bye, confident learners!
Bye, stay tuned and stay vibing with your English.